In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can convert any video to MP4 just in few minutes and for free. So let's get started. So to convert any video to MP4, first you need to download this application to your laptop. Go to Google and you need to search for CapCut. It's super easy and it's for free. So let me show you. Just go to Google, search for CapCut download PC, click on the first link. Like this, you will be directly in this CapCut website. Click over here on download for free. You will install this in your laptop. After you finish, it should look like this and it will be installed in your laptop like this. Okay, so this will be your home page that you want to convert to MP4. So for example, I want to convert this one. Okay, this one here. I will click on import and your video will be over here in your CapCut account. All you have to do is you just need to click next on export, scroll down, go to format and make sure to select MP4. Okay, select this one, MP4. Then click over here on export and that's it. Your video will be converted to MP4. Thank you so much for watching. That's how you can convert a video to MP4 and see you in my next videos.